Hey guys! Do you want to know about how to make money through YouTube? Well, in this video we are going to talk about how to make money through YouTube. So before we get started, make sure to watch the video until the end. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating video content geared toward teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and being awesome on the web. Making money on YouTube might not be your reason for starting a channel, but the opportunities to earn are a pleasant surprise once you realize how many of them there are. Luckily, there are some creative ways to make money on YouTube. Your audience might unlock your YouTube channel's earning potential. As is often the case with Instagram influencers or bloggers, but it's the creation of multiple revenue streams. Through side hustles or businesses, that helps you make money. How to make money on YouTube. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The first revenue stream you'll likely explore is ads. Whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating videos or as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a vital step. You'll have to agree to follow all of YouTube's monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then you can apply for monetization once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Here's how to enable monetization on YouTube. Sign in to the YouTube account you want to monetize. Click the icon for your account in the top right corner. Click YouTube Studio. In the left menu, select Other Features, Monetization. Read and agree to the YouTuber Partner Program terms and eligibility requirements. Create a new Google AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to get paid. Set your monetization preferences. Once that's done, head back to the dashboard and click the Analytics tab on the left side. From there, you'll need to choose revenue from the tabs at the top, then scroll down to the chart monthly estimated revenue to get an idea of your predicted YouTube revenue. What is YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a paid membership program that lets fans watch and support their favorite content creators without ads. For creators, not much changes, as they will get paid for content consumed by non-members on YouTube, along with content on YouTube Premium. Creators are paid for YouTube Premium based on how much members watch their content. Consider revenue earned from YouTube Premium subscribers as a secondary revenue stream in addition to what you're already earning through ads. While it's easy to set up, earning money through advertising as a YouTube partner is far from the most lucrative revenue stream you can create for yourself. Why you should look beyond ads for revenue. YouTube recently received a lot of backlash due to its decision to be more transparent about advertising on the platform and what qualifies as advertiser-friendly content. Essentially, many YouTube creators feared that, due to the nature of their content, they would lose out on the advertising revenue that helps support their channel. According to YouTube, your content could get excluded from ad revenue if it includes sexually suggestive content, including partial nudity and sexual humor, violence, including displays of serious injury and events related to violent extremism, inappropriate language, including harassment, profanity, and vulgar language, promotion of drugs and regulated substances, including selling, use, and abuse of such items, controversial or sensitive subjects and events, including subjects related to war, political conflicts, natural disasters, and tragedies, even if graphic imagery is not shown. But the reality is that YouTube has been demonetizing content that it doesn't deem advertiser-friendly since 2012 via an automated process, without warning and without the content creator's knowledge. Now, the situation is actually better, as creators are notified when their content is flagged and can contest any time they feel a video was mistakenly excluded from YouTube's advertising network. Advertising might be a common means of generating passive income for creators, but the trade-off is that YouTube's parent company, Google, gets to keep around a 45% share of ad revenue. In short, YouTubers should explore other revenue streams to sustain their creative hobby. Below, we'll share how to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. Number 2. Sell products or merchandise. There are plenty of products to sell that can help you make money through your YouTube channel. Selling merch, t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks, you name it, has a benefit beyond revenue. Merchandise increases your exposure by putting your online brand and personality out into the offline world and deepens the relationship between you and your fans as they literally buy into what you're doing. Creators like Roman Atwood sell a variety of merchandise in his store under the Smile More brand. Selling branded swag is easier than it might seem at first. You can order affordable designs tailored for specific products, like t-shirts, using freelance sites such as Fiverr. And when it comes to handling orders, you can integrate your store with services such as DSers or one of the many print-on-demand providers that take care of shipping, fulfillment, and customer support, letting you reap all of the benefits of a print-on-demand business that requires less effort on your part. Number 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. When money is all that stands between an idea and its execution, crowdfunding is a good way to make it happen. Whether you need help buying better equipment, hiring actors, or covering other production costs, you can call upon your own audience and the crowdfunding community to pitch in, if your idea is compelling enough. Many successful crowdfunded creative projects tend to offer a sneak peek or trailer that gets people excited, so consider shooting a video explaining your project or offering a taste of what it'll be like, such as this popular Kickstarter for Kung Fury, a short film paying homage to 80s action movies. Number 4. Let your audience support you through fan funding. Similar to crowdfunding a project, you can also set up fan funding streams to source donations from your audience. As a creator, you're contributing your voice to the internet without forcing your audience to pay for admission. So, if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms offer creators another place for people to discover their content in a way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. Number 5. License your content to the media. If you happen to create a viral video with mass appeal, say, a funny clip featuring your dog, you can license your content in exchange for money. TV news outlets, morning shows, online news sites, and other creators might reach out about rights to use your videos if they happen to go viral. You can also list your videos in a marketplace, such as trusted media brands, where your content will be easier for the right people to find and purchase. When this video of a woman wearing a Chewbacca mask went viral, tons of media outlets wanted in. Make sure to stay watching our next related video to discover more amazing videos. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.